Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to, and today is hair day. I get to go get my hair done. I'm so excited. So we're going to try and do a super fast, I don't know how fast, I am going to time it and then we'll name that the video that. I don't know if I can do a 5-minute one, but I'm going to try. So we're going to set the timer. And we are going to do a get ready with me quick. So, and minimal. We're going to do minimal too. So, let's get started. I am going to use I'm not going to use a primer. I've already moisturized and stuff. So I'm going to use my CC cream. This is the IT Cosmetics CC cream, oil-free matte one. And light. So I thought, oh, this is perfect. We'll just do this. Oh. Here, let's start the timer. And we're just going to put this on like a... Oh my gosh. I forgot how much coverage this really has. So I'm just going to put this on with my fingers. And then I'm going to go over it with a brush. And then I'm going to put it on my lids too. Well, it looks pretty good. I hadn't used this in so long, I couldn't remember. But I know I've been complaining a lot about the ones I've been using. They don't have enough coverage. Well, I'm pretty sure that this guy was full coverage. And I am right. It is full coverage. Okay. So that's enough of that. Let's go in with our sponge. And I don't know if I need to or not. It seems pretty good just with my fingers. I am going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to use my McGrath concealer. And just blend this out. Cancel out all this purple that is called my eyelid. I am so ready to take these lashes off. I've had them on for a week. They don't last like real extensions, but I also think because they come off so easy, they probably don't do nearly as much damage to your regular lashes as real extensions do. Oh, I got some on my lash. I forgot to put any on my chin. It's all right. I got it. All right, that's that. Okay, now I'm going to go in and powder. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores and powder this. Take my powder brush, get the rest. poured enough powder out, but oh well. It's a 5-minute makeup, right? It's not gonna be 5-minute makeup because it's already been 4 minutes. Maybe 10-minute makeup. Doesn't seem like it's been 5 minutes, does it? Okay, now we're gonna go and we're gonna use this Catrice. What is this? Contour kit. And add a little here and here and here, here, here. Then we're going to take our Milani and bronze it up. If I could get it open. That's no fair. That's cheating when I can't get the thing open. That is using my time. Okay, and now, oh, I was going to use that Catrice on my eyelid too. Let's grab a fluffy brush, get some of the same contour, and just put it in this crease a little bit. Like that. Call it good. And I forgot to put this. I'm gonna do that. I'm just doing things so out of order. And that was my benefit cookie. So now we're just going to blend all this together. I'm not going to put any blush on because we're in a hurry. I'm not really in this big of a hurry, but you know, because we're trying to make it a short makeup thing, I need to put some mascara or something on these where I got the concealer on it. All right, let's do our brows. I ordered that Grande brow because the Grande lash worked so well, and I saw that Jessica Braun said she started using the Grande brow and now she just really doesn't even need to fill in her eyebrows. And I'm like, what? Because the Grande lash seems like it kind of stopped working, but I hope it starts working again because I haven't used it in like 2 weeks at least, because first I had that eye infection and then I put these extensions on. So I'm hoping that once I take them off I can start putting that on again and my real lashes will get back to good, because they had already started not looking as good just because the stuff stopped working. And now that I've abused them with extensions, I need it to work again. So I wonder if the Grande brow and the Grande lash are actually the same stuff, because they're ridiculously expensive, I think. I did get it on sale because I used my Rakuten. I never tell you guys about this, but I have a link in all my videos for my Rakuten, and I think you get $10 back, cash back, with your first purchase, and basically it's free money because you just use it whenever you shop online, and it gives you cash back. And most stores are in there, so you should use it. And like I said, I have a link for my Rakuten and in the information box. Okay, so lipstick and we're done. I didn't put any liner on, but you know, we're in a hurry, right? This is the Pillow Talk from Physicians Formula, though, not from Charlotte Tilbury. I can't stand the smell of it. It smells like roses, but it goes away really fast. Done. Took, where's the timer? 10 minutes and 24 seconds. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? I mean, if you want to spend more time, if you want to do another 10 minutes, you could amp it up with some... Oh, I didn't put anything on. I'll just put some liner on that lash that I got. There. He just looked kind of gray. So there we go. I'm ready to go get my hair done, and I'm so excited to get it done. I think that probably next Friday we'll do a hair video, just because I'll have real hair again, not this awfulness that I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!